Hello guys, welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. That means your laptop, phones, every form of gadget that has to do with tech. If there's a content idea or anything you have a question for that you want me to look into, drop it in the comment section and I'll try my best, hope that I see it and hopefully do my research and deliver for you. All right guys, thank you for being here. If you're subscribed, thank you very much for your subscription. If not, kindly hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any video that I post. Without much ado, let's dive right into today's video. In today's video, if you look at the thumbnail, we're looking at how to generate videos for free using Google Veo. And it might sound too good to be true, but let's dive right in while I show you how to generate tons of videos all for free. All right, let's go. So first and foremost, you want to open up your normal Google Chrome in this case. So here I'm going to type Veo. And once you're in Veo, you're going to look for DeepSeek. Click on DeepSeek and you're in. Now, there are two ways we're going to be using. And stay tuned till the end to understand how to generate content using all these two means. First one, we're going to be doing try in flow. When you click on the flow, we're going to go inside and it looks this way. You're going to click on create in flow and then you're going to have this. Once you're here, this, I'm just going to say no and next, scroll down, click on continue. Now, I want you to look critically here. You see that there's a sign in. I've already signed in using my Google account because it's on Google Chrome. That's why I'm advising you use Google Chrome. Now, while here, we're going to click on new project. Now, one very important detail is in here. If you click here, you find out you have 100 AI credits, which you want to increase to be able to generate as many videos as possible. Why do I say this? Now, if you come here and you click on this, which are the different VOs we are using to generate the content, you'd find out that if we look here, you find the different models of the VO that we can use. First one is here. If you click on this, you find out that you have VO3 fast. If you click on this, you find out you need 20 credits to be able to generate videos. Now here we have only 100. That means you can only generate how many? 5. Okay. Now, what we're going to be doing is going to help us generate tons of them. If you click here again, you're going to find VO2, which is after upgrade, you're able to get that VO2. Then VO3 quality is going to take you 100 credits. That means you're only able to generate one. And that's where we are coming in to give you almost unlimited or so many videos. All right. So let's go in. First and foremost, you want to be logged in or signed in here. And this is the next step that you're going to use. You come here and click on this and upgrade. Click on upgrade. You're here. They're going to ask you to get sign in or for free. You're going to pay 0 this very month, but subsequent months you're going to be paying 76.99. This is based on the country I'm in. Then you're going to be getting 1,000 monthly AI credits. So for 1,000 monthly AI credits, you have to pay that amount. But let's look at how we can get it for free. Now, what I'm showing you here is going to help you generate several content. So we're going to click on this, Get Google AI Pro. Then we are going to agree. And in this case, we don't have a redeem code, so we're going to use a card with that. So here, you're going to have a Pro now showing here. Did few examples, the reason for the reduction here, but you're going to be having 1,000 AI points or AI credits. And based on that, now you can come here and then generate videos over here. So for example, we're going to take this and as you see, now we have opened the VO2 fast and VO2 quality. Now the thing with VO2 fast is now that's 10 points. So 10 AI credits is what you need to generate a video. When you generate a video using this, good thing is you just get charged 10 points. That means you can generate 100 videos for free. If you use VO3, you're going to generate 50 videos for free. If you use VO3 quality, you're going to generate 10 videos only because you have 1,000 points. And then if you use VO2 quality, same thing like that. So we're going to be using one example because we're going to be using, now note here that for all the VO2s, there are no audio, but VO3 you have audio. So if you want audio type of content, you can do that. For this illustration, I'm just going to be showing how you're just getting charged 20 points using the VO3 fast, and then how you're charged for the VO3 100 points. All right. So for VO3 fast, we're just going to come here, select that we want only one video. And then the dimensions of the video, we selected it. In this case, we're doing landscape. and then we're going to put the script. We're going to be using the same script. Now, this is the script of somebody shaking a protein powder, a protein shake or protein powder in a bottle and then drinking it. So let's use Veo 3. Let's go. So now Veo 3 fast video model for free. Let's look at the video.
It felt like a cheat code.
Okay, so
It felt like a cheat code.
that's what we got for Veo 3 fast. Now let's use Veo 3 quality and see what we get different. Now if you look here, from the 880, now we have 860. So we lost 20 points. Now for Veo 3 quality, same script, we're going to generate. Alright, so we have this video generated. Let's watch for Veo 3 quality.
It felt like a cheat code. It felt like a cheat code.
And as you can see there is a difference. There's one that is cutting scenes. You see this one just show the swelling of the drink, and then so the swelling of the drink, and then it cuts to the video. So you know the reason you're spending 100 points. So if we check here, we'll find out that you lost 100 points or 100 AI credits. All right, so that is it for this. We're going to go back now into this space where we're going to try using Gemini. And this is how to use the Gemini side of things. Once you are here, after clicking on the video, you're going to click on try in Gemini. And with the Gemini one, you're going to get the ability to generate 3 videos within 1 day. So in a month, you get to generate 90 videos. Here, we put the same prompt, but take note, this is what you want to do. You want to click, once you're inside here, you want to click on tools. We're looking at creating video with Veo. So you click on this, we put the prompt in, and let's look at the difference between this and the other one, done in Flow. All right, guys, so we have the video generated here. And as you can see, this is how it looks. I don't think this is bad at all. All right, guys, so thank you all for watching. This is how to generate tons, almost close to unlimited number of videos using AI. Not unlimited, you get it. A great number of videos using AI for free. All right. Thank you all for watching. And if there's another content you want me to shoot, let me know in the comment section. But until later, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more. And the name is Nee. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.